Okay, yeah, this is reward. Once again, welcome to email marketing with reward. So, in this video, I want to show you guys how to send your campaigns with your on your PC. I've made this video for the mobile, so if you have watched that, it's still the same thing. But if you haven't, yeah, this is how you send your campaigns. This is something with the mobile. So in case you don't have PC, you can use the mobile. If you have PC, this is how you do it. So this is your back end where you do the server, the whole setting stuff. So but for you to send your campaign, you have to use the customer. That's another different part of mailwizz, the email marketing system. So for you to get to the customer, you click here. The users, I'm not going to be explaining these things here, but I just want to make the user is different. The user is have to be talking about the admin, the if you have staffs for it, because you can use this as a SaaS or agency. So but the customers is just kind of people who are using your system to send email, which you can create account and be one of them. That's how the email marketing system for those who do it for dependents, like for your own. You're not offering it as a service. So this is how you can just set it up. So for you to get to the customer area, you can either go to the front end. Like if I just copy this link, I don't want this video to be too long, so if I just copy this link and use this one and paste it and go without the slash back end, this thing. So this is just the front end. So if I click here, I'll be logging in as the customer. And that way to log in is to click here. You see, login as this customer. So let's do this one. So yeah, welcome. So first of all, let me come here, create a list. I'll show you how you have to create a list, but I want to show you how to do that with your PC too. I don't think I've done that. So you click on create list. You can name this whatever, any warm up list. You can put anything here, small warm up list. I'll put this thing, so just put it there. You can put anything. I'm just putting in, you can write a good description, but I'm just putting it because I'm just using this as a test to show you guys how it works. So the double opt-in and the single opt-in, for this is for opt-in and for opt-out, those who want to unsubscribe from your list, those who wants to subscribe to your list. So you have this single opt-in and double opt-in. Now if depending on what you want to achieve, double opt-in is a good practice, because it will filter out people who are using temporary emails or fake emails. Not really the temporary emails, because they can still verify, but at least the unserious ones, it helps to filter your emails and not people to be subscribing with bad emails to your list just to get either your freebie or something. So that's why double opt-in. If you just want someone that just go freebies, straight away, you use the single opt-in. So for me, I'm using the single opt-in for this test, because I want to upload some this thing. So here you can still leave this. You don't put to start being verified before to sign out. You can just leave it like that. So here is where you can change the from name. You can change it to your business name. From email, you can change it to your own email. You can change it to your professional email. Like you have to, if you don't save, it's still going to change from your server, like I said, unless you have a domain name verified. If you have a client, like if you are running it as an agency and your customer that is it has a verified domain, because mailwizz still gives you the opportunity to add. I have not set that up from the backend, because we're not using this for anything. It's just my client wants to use for a personal email marketing. So if that you said that if your server has been set up, it's going to be using that same address, that's some custom email address made for it. So that's what you can still put in here. So the reply to, now as it is max, sorry, so we have to put it. So now if you leave it for this Gmail, it's going to be this Gmail account. I want people to reply to your email that you sent from this list. If people subscribe to this list, or you import a contact to this list and you send them a campaign, when people reply, this is going to be from here mostly. Yes, you can still change it on the campaign. I'll show you in a minute. So that's why this place is not just too that serious. So you can put any details you want. You can leave this place like this. So this is actions when you subscribe. If you have on that list that you want people that are subscribing here not to be in that one, you can do those ones here. So this is, you have to put your business details. You can put it anything. You can select industry, and this thing not really so necessary, depending. You can select your country, select your address, your zip code, let's put in these things there. Okay, you can put more. When you put these things, these tags now will apply. You understand? These tags now will apply. So whenever you put this tag on your campaign, it is going to display what you're feeling here. You see? So if you take, I think you can still add more tags. You can still add more tags and all those things. So you can still create tags for maybe the industry, the zone, if you want to add all these ones. The phone, you can still create tags to take these things in, and then populate it in your campaign if you want to. So it's totally up to you. So after of putting out these things, you check, and you can still edit them back. Then you click on either stay on the page or anyone, but any one of them is going to create the list. So you just say back things. So you see the list has been created. So now you can either click here, so you can either create here, this is how many subscribers. Okay, this is the old one I have, and the new one, and the new one is still the same thing. So this is where you see the subscribers you have on the list when you start having one. If you want to segment the list, this is here. Custom fields, this is where you can change what people will see. So you see, this is where you can change the email if it's required, if it's not required. Obviously it's going to be required, because that's the main thing. Where do you want it to be placed? Is it before this? If you change these numbers now, you change how the sort works. So all these things you can delete them, you can add a different one from here. So I'm not going to be doing this now. This is the last name. The first name. So okay, let me see. Which one is? It's like I'm saying. How many is here? Email, name. I have name, and I have okay, cancel this. I think prefer name to first name and last name is something. So let's remove this once, and then leave it with mail and name. So now I want this to come second. I want name to be at the top and mail on the bottom of it. So just as I change this, so this one is 0, this is 1. So you see name is now at the top, it's now the first, while mail is the second. So you can either click here to go back, or you can come here and tick quickly, so that go back to list overview. So here is it. So you can go to pages. My network is getting bad. Yeah, so this page now, this is a page because this is what you're going to see. You can click on preview now. So this is what people are going to see when they want to subscribe to your list. Put your name. You can edit this here. You can edit this. You can edit this, and you can still embed it on that form. I'll show you how to get the code for that. So here you can choose all these are pages that people are going to see. This one is I think I selected okay, subscribe from pending subscribe. Yeah, this is another page that someone is going to see. This after you have entered your email address and your name. This is the next page I'm going to take you to. So I just remember there's a particular setting I've not done on this page. Let's go to this is the back end. Go to settings. I think it should be extension. Change this to enable. If I enable this now, let's refresh this place. Yeah, so if you have a different page where you want them to be redirected to, instead of displaying this page that might be so boring and not really nice looking, you can just put the link here and it will be directed here. If you wanted to have a delay before redirecting it there, or take it here then delay before directing it to the other side, but if you leave it at 0, it will not display this one at all. It will just redirect directly to that side. So that is those things. So here you can edit all these things: the welcome email, the unsubscribe, the update profile, pages, and everything. So that is it. So here you go to list embed forms. Now you can copy this code. I'll make a video on how to create your funnel with Drive Architect and everything. This is where you get this code. You use this code. This is how you create a form with your marketing system to collect the same form. Other this thing. You create a landing page and everything. You don't even know that you're using this mailwizz, or you're using your own email marketing system. So, and that's how the list works. I came here to teach you how to send campaign, and I'll start teaching you how to everything about the list. So we go back to all campaigns. Okay, sorry, I think I need to go back to the list first. Go to the list. I want to use this list, so I need to import some content to it. Let me show you how you import the contacts. So you click on that, and you click here. this normal playlist. So when the list is imported, so next thing is to go to campaigns, go to all campaigns. Then this is where you create your campaigns. So you click on create new. You can create new. So you can name this anything. I think there's one more. Name it's like why. So this is the type of campaigns. I'm just going to teach you about regular campaigns or teach autoresponder in a different video. So here you choose the list. So you can, if you have a segment, you can choose them here. You have groups, you want to send anything, you choose those, and here you click next. So you see what I told you. So the other list I did, I added these emails I reply to. That's why they are showing up here. This is the name, but you can still obviously change them here from here. You can change them if you want. If you want them to reply you to an email and a Gmail or a different email address, you can put it here. So here is where you put the subject. Let me just use this one. Let's start this now. So you can take all these things, but for this is the tracking. You just leave it like that. So I'll say you have to say the tracking domain. I'll show you how to do that in a different video, and I'm teaching you more about the back end. Click on next. So you can save this as a template if you want to design anything, create anything, or you can choose a template if you have one. Upload a template, toggle this whole thing. So templates builder. So I'll teach you how to build a template for your email marketing system, not this one. So this is where you do your typing. So I don't even know what I'm going to type now. Hello there. Let me pause this video and come back with something. So yeah, so the next thing now is creating something. So if you want to make anything bold, just highlight it and choose bold. If you want to center it, you highlight it and then choose center. And just how it works. If you want to change the size, font size, come here, choose it, font family. You can come here again if you want to highlight it too. I'm looking at this hello there. So just be like, I'm not part of the family again. So that's what you have to do. Like here, you can save your content if you want to. Next thing you click on save and continue, and here we are at the end. You can send it, you can change when you want it to. If you want it to be recurring, you put it when it should be recurring. If you want to choose how you want it to be sent or when you want it to send, time, you choose all those things, but these things are not necessary for me. So you check your details, everything, the name, reply to everything, and then you click on schedule campaign, and voila, you have sent your first campaign using your email marketing system. So, and that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching this video, and you have a great day. Thank you.